How to cut and save a specific part of audio in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and load your audio file by clicking on File. Then open and selecting the audio file you want to edit. Once it's loaded, you will see the waveform of the entire audio in the main window. Next, use your mouse to click and drag across the part of the audio you want to cut and save. The selected portion will be highlighted. You can play this selection to make sure it's exactly the part you need. If you want to adjust it, simply drag the edges of the highlighted areas. After selecting the exact portion, go to the Edit menu and click on Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C. This copies only the selected part of your audio. Then go back to the File menu, click on New to create a new blank project, and paste the copied audio by pressing Ctrl+V or by going to Edit and choosing Paste. Now you will see just the selected portion in this new file. To save it, click on File, then Save As, and choose the format and location you want. Give it a name, select MP3 or WAV format as needed, and hit Save. Your specific part of the audio files has now been saved successfully. Alternatively, you can also do this by selecting the specific part of the clip by dragging with your mouse. Then, right-click and choose Save Selection from the option. Select the location where you want to save it, and that specific part will be saved. And that's it. Now you know how to cut and save a specific part of audio in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.